Hello everybody, this video covers the Chapter 7, Lesson 2, 3, and 4 Aleks assignment. There's only 5 questions on this, so I'm going to go through almost all the questions just to kind of give you an idea of what to do on each one. On the first question you're asked, the triangles below are congruent and the corresponding parts are marked. Name all the corresponding congruent angles in the sides, then complete the triangle congruence statement. So on part A we are matching the angle congruence. So angle A has 2 dash marks here. So we have to find the other angle with 2 dash marks, and in this case that would be angle Z. So angle A would be congruent to angle Z. Angle B has 1 dash mark, so that goes with angle Y, which also has 1 dash mark. And similarly, angle C has 3, which would correspond with angle X, which also has 3. As far as the side lengths, length AB, notice, has these 3 hash marks here, so that's going to be coordinating to YZ in some way. Since we go from 2 hash marks on A to 1 hash mark on B, then it's got to go from 2 hash marks on Z right here to 1 hash mark on Y. So from Z to Y. Right? Since angle A refers to Z and B refers to Y, AB refers to ZY. Angle AC would have to go from, well, angle A is Z, so that must be from Z to, and then C is X, so ZX. And then the last one for part B, from BC, well, B is Y and C is X. Right, so that's a nice easy way. You can always just refer back to over here where we found out the congruence. Now CBA, triangle CBA, has to refer to triangle, well, C refers to X, so since C is first, X has to be first, then Y, and then finally Z. So CBA refers to triangle XYZ. With question 2 and 3, I'm actually going to go to the Aleks website. You're figuring out if they're congruent or similar. Now listen, if they are congruent, they are also similar. Congruence means same size and same shape. Similar means same shape, but not necessarily the same size. So for example, like the first one, these are not the same shape or the same size, so that would be no and no. The second one, same thing, not same shape or same size. The third one with the T's, those are similar shapes, but they're not the same size, so they're not congruent. And then the last one, those are both congruent and similar. Okay, so that's the idea behind that one. With number 3, you have a dilation, and all you have to do is figure out if the dilated figure can match to the dashed figure. Okay, so dilate the solid figure exactly onto the dashed one. So if I question 4, we have 2 similar triangles and we have to find the missing side length. So we have to set up a proportion. Going from 40 to 5, well, 40 divided by 5 is 8. So we are dividing by 8 to get to my other side length. So from 64 to this one, we divide by 8, and 64 divided by 8 is 8. And the last one that we need to do is we have to figure out the missing side length of the pentagon. So same thing, we have to set up a proportion. So I would choose an easy one. So going from 2, that goes to 3.2, so 2 over 3.2 has to equal from 6 to x. Okay, so I could do 6 times 3.2, and then I can divide it by 2. So 6 times 3.2 divided by 2, and that gives me 9.6 here for x. Sorry, 9.6. Okay. So a lot of these similar polygons, we can just draw a proportion to figure these out. So I hope this kind of makes sense and helps you out with this Aleks assignment today. And remember, if you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.